Moving on to other news, Manila Mayor Joseph Estrada is pushing through with his plan to personally deliver an apology to Hong Kong in connection with the bloody Luneta hostage crisis. At the same time, Estrada said he is also planning to solicit compensation for the families of the Manila hostage crisis victims. Noel Perfecto reports.
Vice President Inay is in full support of Manila Mayor Joseph Estrada's pending trip to Hong Kong to personally apologize to the officials of the country for the Quirino Grandstand bus hostage drama last 2010. Binay said that this is not under President Benigno Aquino's liability because the incident happened in Manila and is a direct area of responsibility of the Mayor of Manila.
Ang pagkakapaliwanag ni Pangulong Noynoy, tama naman yon sa aking palagay, ito ho ay insidente sa Maynila. Hindi naman ho, unang-una, bakit naman ho ang paratang sa buong bansa? So, tama naman yung dating din ng Maynila sapagkat dito ho nangyari yung pangyayari.
Vice Mayor Isko Moreno also agrees to this Hong Kong trip so that all talks pertaining to the incident may finally be put to an end.
Gusto ni Mayor Erap ay masara na yung libro ng kasaysayan at buong kababaan niyang loob na hinihingi ng kapatawaran ng sitwasyon yung nangyari. At nang sa ganoon, magkaroon na ng pag-umpisang paghilom ng mga sugat na nangyari sa nangyaring insidente.
Mayor Estrada also said that the president need not apologize for the country. The incident took place in Manila, and the whole country is not involved in this. The mayor also believes that this is just proper that all risks between Manila and Hong Kong be settled so that this may not affect the Filipinos, especially the overseas Filipino workers.
Ang sino mang chief executive ng lungsod, ng bayan, lahat, sagutin ng punong lungsod o punong bayan ang ano mang mangyari sa kanilang area of responsibility. Hindi sagutin ng Pangulo yun. Ang mayor, ang kasagutan doon. Siyang direct may area of responsibility.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.